Hi students, welcome. This is Varsha ICC Max 10. So this is your fifth lesson, quadratic equations. So in this video, how to take square root of a quadratic equations. Okay, means in the quadratic equation you have to take a square root because they have to find the decimal exactly for the value of x. Okay, so after that in this video definitely you will able to do the square root. Okay, so see till the end of the video definitely you will understand how to take square root of a number. This is not a perfect square, isn't it students? Yes. So I'm going to take a 65. See, first one is 65. We are going to take 65 square root. Okay, see students, what is the square root for 1? That is 1. What is the square root for 4? That is 2. What is the square root for 9? That is 3. Okay, you have a symbol. If you have a symbol, you have to write the square root. So what is the 25 square roots? That is 5. If it is 64, that is 8. So if it is 65, so what is that root of 65? Which number gives the square root? Okay, which number gives 65 by multiplying itself? So we are going to find that number for 65. Okay, see first step. See, give a long line. Okay, so we have need a decimal. So give point and 0 0 pair. You can take any numbers, any of numbers of zeros. Okay, see students, you have to give a pair of numbers to give this bar. Okay, bar on the numbers. So have to give a pair. Okay, so 65 is a pair. So first step, what is the first step? See, the perfect square before this number. Okay, so what is a perfect square? 65's perfect square before the perfect square is 64. The square root is 8. Okay, see. So what are the perfect squares? 1, 4, 9, 16, 25 and 36, 49, 64, 81, 100, 121 and so on. So we need perfect square before 65. So that number is 64. So the square root of 64 is 8. So have to write 8, 8. So this is your first step. So you have to give a bar, that is our first step, and taking a perfect square before this number which will give you a bar. Okay, so 6 6 are 64. See the step carefully students. So now you subtract, so you will get 1. So take your next decimals. You should not take one decimal. When you divide, you take just one number, but for the square root you have to take 2. Okay, so 2 zeros should be come down. Okay, see in this place, so that is an important place to find the square root. Give decimals also here. Okay, see this place is for, you have to multiply the first number into 2. So 8 zeros are 16 and give a box and give a box. So you have to find the box. Okay, so do you understand that? 8 twos are 16. So give a box, give a box. So you have to find the box number that should be equal, and when multiply you have to get 100. Okay, see how will you give? This is 160. Okay, the box in the box. See the box, if I give 1, if you multiply you get 161, which is more than 100, but you should not take in the box, give 1. So you have to give 0, here also 0. Okay, yes, why I am giving 0? Because if we give 1 and if you multiply, this is 161, so it is greater than 0, so that is why you have given 0 for this place. Okay, so 0 into 160, that is also 0. So this is, if you subtract, you get again 100. You take the next pair, that is 0 0. Okay ma, see now what is this place? This place should be multiplied by 2 in the place of coefficient. So 80, so this is 160, and again give a box, give a box. Okay, see students, this is very simple one. It's not that much difficult, but listen carefully. Okay, see 160 and box. See 160 box multiplication. So which number should be given in the box to have to get this number before this number? Means 10,000. Okay, so you can give 5 or any of the 6 or okay. So let me give 5. So 5 5s are 25, 6 5s are 30, 0, 3, 5 are 5, 35. So it is 8025. Okay. So this is either or method students. 160. See this is box and box. So now I am giving in the box 6. Okay. So now multiply 6 6 are 36. Again 36 3. So 1 6 are 6 plus 9. So this number is nearer by 10,000. So you can take this number. So in the box you have to give 6. Okay, not 5. Okay, so this is either or method. You can give 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or any number. Okay, so I am giving first 5 and 2 6. If it is not equal, okay, so you can take any of the number. Okay, so nearby 10,000. That is the important thing. Okay, so this is 6 and 6. So 6 into 1606. Okay, so that is 9036. Again you have to take a subtraction. So if you subtract, you will get 4 6. This is 3. Okay, is that right students? You just adding 0, again 1 is 0, this is 0 and 0. Okay, so again you have to take zeros. Okay, so this is 36,400. Okay, you have taken this 0 and see what is this place, what is this number? This number is when you multiply, get this number 806. So 806 you just multiply by 2. This is 12 into 16. Okay, so this is 1612. Again box, here also box. So which number should be given in the place to get 36,400? Okay, so what is that number? See, this is either or method, so you have to give a either or option. So what number to be given? So again you give 5. So 1 5s are 5. Definitely it will be greater than number. Okay ma. So you need not do that. 1 2. Again the box. We can give 2 and 3. Okay, so this is 4. Again 4. 1 2s are 2. 6 2s are 12. 1. So 1 2s are 2. Again 3. So this is when you give in the box 2. We get 32,244. Okay, see, when in the box I am going to give 3. See, multiply students. This is 9, 6, 1 3s are 3 and 18. This is 1, 1 3s are 1, 1 4. See, this is greater than, so you have to take this, okay, 2. Okay, this one is, so you have to give box 2. So this is 32,000. So again you have to subtract. Okay ma. So what is our answer? Root of 65 is 8.062. Okay. So this is our answer. Okay. So this is the root of 65. Okay. So let me do this video. This is the last 1205. Shall we start students? Okay. See students. Okay. 5. I am going to find the 5 in the second root. Okay. So let's finish this video. In the next video I will say take the square root of 5. Okay. I hope you all understand. Okay students. Thank you.